Hey guys, it's me again. My name is Chris and you are watching Chris Toys Travels. Now I just got off from work and I got something in the mail. So let's try to check it out. It's a Lazada Mystery Box. So it says effortless shipping, lazada.com. Return number here, it's found here. Then the Lazada icon, I think it's shipping label, and then my details in front. It shows here my full name, when it was shipped, shipped through Lazada. It's showing here also the amount. I purchased this for $499 plus shipping, so more or less it cost me like $607 with the shipping. So let's try to check what's in the box. I'm excited. There. I don't want to look inside yet. So there you go. Woo. What's inside the box? First we have a USB charging cable. For, I believe this is a micro USB. You can data transmit. So there. Next is an Oppo. It's an Oppo earphone. Cool. What's this? Ooh, it's a perfume. Perfume. Yeah, it's a perfume. Let me smell it. I can send this one as a gift. I don't not really my scent. Next would be a USB light indicator. It's not an indicator. It's a USB plug light, LED light. It's a speaker, wireless speaker. With a charger. Ooh. The quality is good, but it's not real. It's not a real JBL. It shows JBL there, but it's not the real thing.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Ano daw?
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
I don't understand what it's saying. I only understood the Bluetooth. So, Bluetooth speaker. Got here Bluetooth speaker. An LED. How do you call this? An Oppo earphone. There. USB charger. Micro USB charger and a perfume. I think I didn't get what what it's worth, but at least they tried. I can really use this too. Though I already have an authentic JBL. I can send this as a gift if it's okay. So there you have it. The items that I got from Lazada Mystery Box. I'm not really impressed with what's inside, but it's already okay. It's okay for the price of $499. And I guess that's it. So all I can say is that don't buy mystery box. You just need to buy what you need. And some of this I don't need because I don't have an Android phone. First of all, not sure if this fits, if this is compatible with my iPhone. This headphone. Oh, it is. I believe so because I have the iPhone SE and it has this the same, how do you call that, plug. I can use this. This. I have enough light already. But this one, I think I'm gonna give this as a gift, as well as this perfume. So I think that's all for now. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something that mystery boxes are not really that worth. It depends on what you will really get. So only the shipper will know. Okay, so bye. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give me a massive thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell below. Bye!